Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in a previous video, I was bending up a 16 gauge sheet of metal for the welding cart project, and Lieutenant Dan, my sheet metal brake, broke. And I'll show you what happened here and what's going on. So under here, there's a nut welded right there for those bolts to go through. Well, that weld broke, and this clamp bar walked away from me while bending. Not a big deal. It's just sheet metal that could be fixed. But not knowing what I didn't know the first time that I built this, and one step was in the wrong direction, and I actually built it a little backwards. So this was on the wrong side. I had it mounted to this side. This is the side that folds. So not a big deal. So that braking actually worked out. It's not, couldn't have flipped it around and made this side bend, because that's where it's mounted, is right down in here. So what I ended up doing was just moving this over to the next side of it and clamping it down back here, and just took a drill and we drilled all the way through. And so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to get a piece of all thread. This is 3/4 head, but the diameter is 9/16. And I'm going to put it up through the bottom, weld it to the bottom, and then just use some nuts. I'll either weld 2 nuts together, or I'll take that and put some small pieces of round bar to make a bigger wing nut, what have you, get on there. And then on this end, I'm going to do it the correct way now, and I'm going to weld a couple of pieces of bar or square tubing under here. That way I can use it as a lever to give me more leverage for bending it. Because if you're bending a good sized chunk of 16 gauge or even 18 gauge, sometimes you just got to give it a little more grunt, and it's kind of hard to do with a short throw. So that's the shop update for right now. We'll get that going. I got to go over to Tractor Supply or something and get a piece of all thread. But thanks for watching.